The Porsche engineers knew exactly what their objective was: to make the new 911 GT2 RS the most powerful Porsche for the road. Objective achieved. The water-cooled 6-cylinder bi-turbo Boxster engine with 4-valve technology delivers its power through the rear axle. From its 3.6-liter capacity, it generates an enormous 620 horsepower at an engine speed of 6,500 RPM.
I am in a rush. I'm almost there. I'm just a few minutes away. I think I'm like 3 minutes away from the track right now, or 4 minutes away from the track right now. They want you to be there 30 minutes early, and my appointment is at 12:30, and currently it's 11:59, and I'm just a few minutes away. So it wouldn't be me if I wasn't a little bit late or barely on time. But I'm getting there in just enough time. I went and bought this mount. I don't have a GoPro. That would have been so clutch, but I don't have a GoPro, so I went and bought this mount thing from Best Buy that you can attach to the dashboard as well as the windshield. So I want to just get a little bit of footage on my phone of like the track and like me driving or whatever. So hopefully this works out and that this is a great mount. I'm just praying everything works out fine, because I've seen people record when they went to go drive and stuff. So I took the mount apart and I'm kind of just trying to figure out how to piece it together. So I'll have like a few seconds once I get there. But I'm really super excited. I'm about to have a lot of fun. I'm about to have so much fun doing this as soon as I get this together. But I don't have a lot of memory, so I'm gonna try to save a bit, and I will film while I'm there and try to get as much footage so you guys can see. But happy birthday to me. There it is. Yes, there it is, there it is, there it is. I'm gonna park me right here.
Security will see us, but everybody else drivers. We'll survive.
Oh, they took you off, or you were never on it? Oh, at least that worked in your favor. Wait, for real?
Protein, iron, calcium, potassium. 2 for $5.
2 for $5?
Yes. 1, $3.99.
Which one do you like better?
You can try both if you want.
Which one do you like more? Yeah, sure. This one's good.
They have protein, iron, calcium, potassium.
I don't usually like chocolate that much, but that one's...
They have all the flavors.
Okay. Thank you.
Ice cream.
Do you want just one? You want just one?
Just one.
Okay.
I'm like, this sucks being short.
I helped somebody else out earlier today, no worries.
I'm like, thank you so much.
No, you're good, no
I appreciate
worries.
my parents.
I'ma come on it, I just come on it. Another bitch ride with you, put a bum on it. Special Olympics, I'ma be clear. Cover Marie Claire, with $1 million show in India, she's there. My own drink, Moscato, big ass face in the jeweler, I'm calm. And you know my wrist, kissing the phone. Pussy fatter than most, they gotta.
Yeah, sure. Raspberry croissant, you said? Oh, sorry, they look good. Thank you.
Yeah.
They're really good. So out of everything, I'm gonna start with just the rice, because I have rice in like 3 out of my 4 meals, so I'll just start making the rice now, and then I'm gonna do the chicken thighs after that, and then I think I'll do like the asparagus. So I'm gonna start with the rice first though. My cooking space is a little tight, so don't hold me, but I'm gonna get it done. I cleaned my chicken thighs, I'm about to season them. So, I'm almost out of my little one. I got another one though. Next. That I will fit as many as possible. Okay, this is where we're currently at. I can't record like every single little itty bitty part just because I feel like I'm like running low on storage. So I have rice in here. I'm about to flip this chicken, and I have asparagus cooking in here. So as you can see over there a little bit, I have more chicken that I'm gonna need to cook, more chicken thighs, and this is how they're looking right now. So just gonna flip these over. Oops. They smell great already. Oh. I was using this top for this to cook the chicken, because that's the only one of that size that I have, but it actually goes to this pot, but I need it so that the rice will simmer and whatever. I have more tops, but they're like a lot smaller, so I'm kind of just gonna have to work with what I got here. I should probably move this. Give me some space. Alright, so it's about to be 15 minutes, which I put on the timer for the rice. I'm gonna let the rice sit a little longer though. So I'm gonna check my asparagus, see how that looks. I think the chicken needs a bit more time just because it's not covered, but the next thing of rice, I forgot I had a smaller pot, so we'll see how this works out. But yeah. I just wasted so much time because right at 10 o'clock my can opener broke. This cheap ass can opener just popped off when I needed to open my beans. So had to go and buy another one. Thank God there was one more Target open at 11 o'clock. Till 11 o'clock that I went to. So I just want to get this over with tonight. Just come on. Open, locked, open. Works amazing. Alright, should have been bought one of these. How do I get this? Alright, bowls ready to go. So, I'm gonna fill those in a second. Hallelujah. don't laugh at me. This is just what I gotta do right now. So, yeah. I still got more chicken that's cooking right now, so I'll be back to fill this up in just a few minutes.